Tired of dry, irritated eyes? Discover CorneaCare Rest, the revolutionary self-heating warm compress designed for instant, soothing, dry eye relief. Unlike traditional methods, CorneaCare Rest requires no microwave or messy washcloths. Just instant, therapeutic warmth in a convenient, disposable mask. This expertly crafted heated eye mask combines purified water, charcoal, and minerals to deliver consistent heat, specifically targeting dryness, redness, burning, and even blurry vision. Imagine effortlessly melting away eye strain and discomfort, enjoying lasting comfort with every 10 to 15-minute session. Developed by leading eye doctors and backed by scientific research, you can trust CorneaCare Rest for safe, effective, and expert-approved eye care. But wait, there's more. This amazing heated compress also offers added skincare benefits, hydrating and softening the delicate skin around your eyes for a refreshed look. Ready to transform your eye care routine and finally find relief? Click the link in our description to buy your CorneaCare Rest Pack on Amazon today. No more waiting for water to heat or dealing with dirty compresses. This travel-ready solution is the ultimate clean and convenient warm compress for dry eyes. If you're searching for the best solution for dry eyes in 2025, look no further than CorneaCare Rest. Experience the difference of targeted, hassle-free relief and give your eyes the comfort they deserve.